Okay guys, so today, as you can see, I already started a little bit. Then I remembered I had to start filming this. I'm going to be cleaning the engine bay and the undercarriage as best as I can. Gonna get all the stuff. I see I got some stuff already covered. Got my power washer all hooked up already. Got a jack in case I need to spray under there, in case I need to see better. Okay, y'all, I cleaned the engine already, so it's you know, it still looks a little dirty, but just gotta let it dry, you know. Cleaned all under it now. Took this off of, I found this wrapped around the rear coil spring or shock, whatever it's called. Yeah, springs. So I don't know what that is, but it's quite nasty. And it looks pretty nice. I got some of that dirt off of that stuff and it looks beautiful now. It looks really nice now. Now I just gotta clean the bed, maybe vacuum the inside, clean the outer shell a little bit. So yeah. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Got her all nice and shined up, and we're gonna take her on a ride now. I have not done the inside. I just did the engine bay, all under it. I just didn't put soap. Just rinsed everything down. It looks great. That must have came off whenever I sprayed it.
So this here goes right in here.
Hot, burning. Okay, let's see. There we go. Now it's normal. Oh my God.
burn it down.